You probably set out to search for how to make money on YouTube and you see a lot of videos on how they made $10,000 on YouTube per month, and then you became motivated to start your own YouTube channel. 2 months down the line and you're not getting any views and subscribers to even monetize your channel, and then you feel like you've been scammed. Slowly your motivation begins to die down and you're about to give up. What if I tell you that YouTube actually pays YouTuber $20,000 per month and you can do it better? YouTube channel is very easy to monetize, but then you focus more on monetization than doing what it takes to actually get monetized within a month. Now pay close attention to this great secret I'm about to share with you on how to monetize your YouTube channel within a month. Your YouTube channel is currently not monetized because your videos are not getting views. And most times we think that our videos are not getting views because the YouTube algorithm doesn't like our videos. Now let me tell you something. The algorithm doesn't know you and doesn't give a about your videos. It is just a robot designed to monitor YouTube visitors' activities and show more videos to them based on their likes. And if you doubt what I'm telling you right now, click on the like button of this video and see how the YouTube algorithm is going to show more of my channel videos to you. If your videos are not getting more views and the algorithm is not promoting your videos, it is because YouTube visitors and audience are not clicking and watching your videos. And they are not clicking it because your thumbnails and titles are not compelling enough. Have you ever searched for something on YouTube but end up watching something different because the thumbnails and titles are so compelling? Now that's what I'm talking about. Once I realized this, I went back to edit the thumbnails and titles of all my dormant videos and they started getting more views immediately. Well done if you have learned how to get your thumbnails and titles right. The next thing is your video itself. If it is not valuable enough to keep your audience watching, especially for the first 5 seconds, they will swipe to the next video and the algorithm is going to push your video to the trash immediately. And so you should try to keep your audience hooked to your video for the first 20 seconds, and once their attention is captured, you will watch the video till the end and the YouTube algorithm is going to push your video to millions of active audience immediately. Now that you've gained this knowledge and ready to get your YouTube channel monetized, kindly hit the like button of this video and subscribe to my channel for the YouTube algorithm to show me some love and push my videos to more audience.